I'm gonna start from the left. If you saw my last video, I walked straight through. I'm gonna start with the restroom accommodations. So here you go. Again, everything open, wide open. I love it. Tub, sink, toiletries, mirror, which can be closed off for a very, very full mirror. Open to reveal your closet, safe deposit box, complimentary Xcaret umbrellas. So it's like the Rolls Royce where you get your own umbrellas. Water closet. I know typically you don't get a full walkthrough of what a water closet is, but I have to show you this, right? Curtain call. The show's about to start. It's off. And then, you sit on the toilet. Now your audience has a full view of you putting on a show inside your water closet. Pretty dope. All right, the shower. Very nice. Towels in back, rain head, extendo, bench, controls. Now let's walk through the remainder of the suite. King Riverview, king size bed, very nice size. Oh, one thing, I do want to call this out. So this is the bed, right? That's the TV. Articulating, extends, articulates, all that good stuff that you would want. Now you can see it from the bed. It's not gonna come like that. So for those of you not tall enough to reach, I do apologize. I feel sorry for you. There's chairs, I don't know, maybe stand in the chair. Cujo's not liable for any injuries inquired while standing on chairs at Xcaret Hotel. Here we go. Money shot. We just so happen to be on the first floor. So we got direct access to the river. Hammock.
Wow, look at water.
Yeah, water. You love it?
Yeah, water.
Yeah.
It's not scary, but I just scared.
Well, there you go. Full walkthrough. You want to wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye, everyone.
Yeah, good job.